Welcome to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine. Friends, our today's video is unique, and I promise that all of these embroidery design ideas and patterns are very unique, extremely new, and you have never seen them before. And different type of discussion ideas we will use, that how these patterns would be applied to design different type of material, accessories and stuff. But before going into the further details, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed, and press the bell icon so all the new latest upcoming videos and updates are notified to you. And don't forget to like and leave comments. So now let's move back towards our main concern. Guys, you are seeing very beautiful, eye-catchy, extremely beautiful design ideas of embroidery borders, embroidery lines, embroidery borderline ideas, and these are different type of patterns or names that are being used for this type of embroidery style. You can use them to design the four-sided corners of your dupatta, shawl, sari as well. You can use them onto different type of decoratable materials, like you can use them onto tablecloth, onto bed sheets, onto pillow covers, onto quilt covers, onto kitchenware accessory covers, onto chair covers, onto your office table mats, onto your bedroom table mats, dressing mats, and many more creativities. You can design these very beautiful embroidery borders onto your baby girl dresses. You can make different type of angrakha, different type of hem lines, different type of sleeve borders, trouser borders onto your dresses for making them more creative. Kurti, gown, frock, kadida suits, and many more creativities could be designed by using these borderline embroideries. You can use these borderline embroidery to design your handbags, accessory bags, vanity bags, cosmetic bags, school, college, university going bags. You can even make these very beautiful embroidery borders onto your hand knitted material like sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, handmade woolen baby dresses as well. I hope the design ideas, the creativity is vast, is unique, and you have enjoyed to the fullest with these very beautiful, simple and easy creativities of embroidery patterns. If you really enjoyed our today's patterns, do try them and share your experiences with us, and leave comments that which design you like the most and why, so that we could get to know in our today's video which design is the most loved one, is the most liked one, is the most favorite of your. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for updated new upcoming beautiful and creative videos on our channel, and keep supporting us and sharing your love by watching our content.